All right, y'all. We back. We are back. Let's get this motor ready, cleaned up a little better. We're gonna at least pull the trans off from it and put it on the engine stand and get it cleaned up, man.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Tripod for my light. Got a little bend in it, but I think it'll do better than what I have now because that bass, that wind blowing. And it does not, it's not very stable. Now I'm not sure if this one's going to work or not, but I'm going to.
Game in the squeeze so tight like it can't breathe. Bang niggas head so hard they can't read. Nearsighted up close and personal can't see. Swimming with the orca Pacific gangrene. Wolf in sheep's clothes fur hang out the same scene. Cool as LL you ain't no cop J Reed.
I like holding on to the engine mount bolts because they're so short and shallow. If you need to put a ground on something, they work perfect. Okay. What's going on with that?
Set you up just to bring the pain like brain freeze. Still poetic, still no justice. The ditty bit.
Okay, we're gonna drop the starter, undo the manifold, or drop the starter, undo the torque converter bolt, drop the transmission, put the engine on a stand, then remove all other things. Drain the oil. I don't think there's any in there. Yeah, there is. And when we did the cam swap, so.
Day, mercenary shit, dynamite like JJ. Never take a minute off. Losing my religion to an ice grill and it's so cold, I'm cold off. Made an incision, got hard then I want it all. Watch where you sitting, I'm a time bomb ticking and I just might go off.
Been trapping, they asking who got the antidote. COVID-19 flow, busting if they cantaloupe. East Point, we the lions and you the antelope. Need a heat advice, think twice and leave that man alone. Keep the heater on me, 6 feet the homie. New additions, Bobby Brown, I treat them like tenderonis. Stay away from phonies and swearing that they your cronies. Same circle since 95, genuine like ponies. Run for the roses, J-City, I'm Moses. I part the Ohio River, then that's when shop closes. Poses, get doses of fire and leave them toasted. You softer than a hostess with the cream filling broski. Keep it bouncing like a box spring. All you suckers coming up, you my offspring. Yeah, you want the title fight, I'm shadow boxing. Need to come with ace money if you copying. It's 8 to the K.
bolt in there somewhere still? Do we? I don't think we do. It's just the way it all happens. Look like we win. We got a new rear timing cover, which means in return we should have a new rear seal. So that's a plus. Oh no. Oh no. Oh man. My what's name just went to shit. Dang on it. I didn't mean for that to happen. This ain't good. That one's working. Let's see if I can get it to. Put something under it. Have to let it sit that way so I get my stuff back in it. Alright, there's that one. There's that one. Alright, that might be it. Okay, what that is. That's weird. Yeah, my lift just decided to take a dump. See what we got again, y'all. Let's see if it still works. It might. Yeah, we in business. We in business. All right, we'll come back.